ready to transform your Squarespace site into a lead-generating powerhouse that fills your sales funnel effortlessly. First, let's craft a compelling headline on your landing page that immediately tells visitors what you offer and why they should care. Think benefit-driven language that resonates with your ideal customer. Now, integrate a simple yet effective form. Squarespace makes it easy. Access the form block and choose the fields that are absolutely essential for qualifying your leads. Keep it concise to encourage completion. Crucially, configure your form to automatically send notifications to your email, or even better, integrate it with your CRM or email marketing service using Squarespace's built-in tools or third-party integrations, ensuring no lead slips through. Next, a clear and strong call to action is vital, whether it's download your free guide, request a consultation, or sign up for our newsletter. Make it obvious what the visitor gets by submitting their information. Place your call to action prominently, ideally above the fold, and ensure it leads directly to your form or clearly indicates what happens after submission visually. This could be a button that pops, or a section that encourages immediate action. Consider offering an incentive, a valuable freebie like an ebook, a discount code, or a helpful checklist can significantly boost your conversion rates by giving visitors a compelling reason to share their details. Remember, a successful lead gen site isn't just about the form. Ensure your overall website design is professional, easy to navigate, and consistently reinforces your brand message across all pages. By focusing on these key elements, a clear offer, an easy form, a strong call to action, and a great user experience, you'll be well on your way to turning your Squarespace website into a consistent lead generation machine.